Hello everyone, so thank you so much for supporting me guys. So far so good, and happy that we are doing well. There are quite some projects on Eng AI that I didn't document, but I've done them before. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your environment for Raspberry Pi. Remember, we are using Raspberry Pi and NVIDIA Jetson Nano. For this project, we are going to be using Raspberry Pi 5. 3 works, 4 works, but if you have Raspberry Pi 5, it's quite best suited for these Eng AI projects. Okay, as always, remember the first thing you need to do is you need to upgrade your Raspberry Pi. So sudo apt upgrade, and then update. Sorry, after update, you need to do an upgrade and then reboot your Raspberry Pi. I'm not gonna do the upgrade. I recently did it, so but for you, if you have not done that before, you need to upgrade your Raspberry Pi. And then the next thing that we do is we need to install required system level libraries. Remember, we are going to be running some computer vision Eng AI projects. And first thing is we need to install pip, we need to install venv, we need to install libcamera-tool. And this command is in the comment section. So you just need to install that and then install libcamera-dev files. You need to install libcamera-tools and libcamera-apps, which is again done by sudo apt install this particular command. Okay. Once you're done installing that, you need to test libcamera installation. Just need to open Python and then import. You need to import libcamera-tool, see if it works. Yeah, so no error thrown, so it means it works perfectly. And next item you do is install other files, but these files must be installed inside a virtual environment. So you guys, you have seen, you know already how to set up a virtual environment, but to remind you, just do a Python 3 -m venv virtual environment, and then my machine is going off. Just a moment, plug in the charger. There you go. And then virtual environment. Oops. And then virtual environment, and then this particular to the root directory, and then the name that you want to call it, maybe say TensorFlow Lite, whatever you want to call it. And then remember to give access to system packages, which is -- system site packages. You're giving access to system packages for this particular virtual environments. And once you're done with that packages, once you're done with that, just press enter. I already created an environment, so what I want to do is just activate it. So it's source I called it TensorFlow Lite, and then should be /bin/activate no file directory as that. Let me see, should be source. I want to activate it, TensorFlow Lite tf lite /bin/activate. Yeah, I've activated my virtual environment, as you can see right here. And you need to install the packages inside the virtual environment. First, the image processing package, and for displaying images and computer vision. We have this command, which is actually pip install NumPy pillow. NumPy pillow is used for image processing. I think we have interacted with this before. Then we need to install this particular one, matplotlib. I think we have also interacted with this in previous projects. Matplotlib. It is for displaying images. They're small modules. And then install. You need to pip install OpenCV Python. We have done this 1,000 times before. This is for computer vision. Pip install. It's pip install OpenCV Python. This for computer vision might take some time, and after that you need to verify that you have the right file. So I'll pause here as it completes installing OpenCV. Okay, so it might throw some sort of errors here, but nevertheless, the most key critical thing that you need to check here is it has successfully installed NumPy 2.4.2. These are just version issues. OpenCV Python 4.13. And then you can check if you have really installed all of them. Pip list, you can list your version. So NumPy is there, and as you can see, OpenCV Python is there, and libcamera is right there. So there's some few projects for Eng AI and done sometimes before. For image classification, for most of you who already know what image classification is, it's actually a subset of computer vision, which focuses on identifying an image or a segment of an image, and it has got a wide area of application. object detection, object classification, segmentation are under image classification, or in the big classification of machine learning, it's under computer vision. Now, there are things that are quite interesting here, detecting object in a live camera, maybe a object detection on live cameras. We have done this before, the security system Eng AI project that we already did. You guys check my previous video. We have done object detection, general object detection / classification, using YOLO. Yeah, so we have used YOLO before. It's a good library for object classification again, or for image classification. It's something else, using environments to pre-train your data. An environment like Eng Impulse is very good for Eng AI. We can also use that. And then something else is using the existing data set, like Coco, Mobinet, all those data set that we can use and exercise with them, training our own data to suit our AI models and things like that. Yeah. So you guys let me know what you think and what project you suggest we do. I've mentioned that we can use existing dataset. We can use TensorFlow Lite. You can use Google AI to download our model, and then we do something called transfer learning. You can use Coco dataset. You can use Mobinet. We have so many datasets out there that we can use for Eng AI. You can use your library. Your library is an interesting one. I've used it before. They are optimized for Eng AI, resource constrained environments. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you.